Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Alpha Zone Relationship Series. Today's video, we're diving deep into a topic that holds the power to mend even the most strained relationships. The art of apologizing and forgiving. We'll explore the significance of apologies and forgiveness in repairing relationship rifts and moving forward after misunderstandings. The power of apologies. Before we can understand the beauty of forgiveness, we need to grasp the importance of genuine apologies. Apologies aren't just about admitting fault, they're about acknowledging the impact of our actions on others. A heartfelt apology has the power to rebuild trust, validate emotions, and demonstrate growth. It's not a sign of weakness but a sign of strength. The anatomy of a sincere apology. So, what makes a sincere apology? Let's break it down. Number 1. Acknowledgement. Recognize what you did wrong without making excuses. Number 2. Empathy. Show genuine understanding of the hurt you caused. Number 3. Remorse. Express regret for your actions. Number 4. Amends. Outline steps you'll take to make things right. Number 5. Change. Demonstrate a commitment to change your behavior. The healing power of forgiveness. Now, let's move to the other side of the equation, forgiveness. It's a gift you give yourself and the other person. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or condoning hurtful actions. It's a conscious decision to release the anger, resentment, and negativity that can poison relationships. The transformative nature of forgiveness. When we forgive, we free ourselves from the emotional burden. It's a step towards growth and healing, both individually and together. Forgiveness doesn't mean the relationship will be the same, but it opens the door to new possibilities. Navigating apology and forgiveness in relationships. In any relationship, misunderstandings are bound to happen. So, how do we navigate this delicate territory? Relationship expert, communication is key. Creating a safe space to discuss feelings and concerns can lay the foundation for effective apologies and genuine forgiveness. Moving forward together. In conclusion, mastering the art of apologizing and forgiving takes time and effort, but it's worth it. It's about building bridges and nurturing connections. Remember, relationships aren't just about avoiding conflicts, they're about growing through them. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of the art of apologizing and forgiving. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Alpha Zone Relationship Series for more insightful content. As always, let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Have you ever experienced the healing power of an apology or forgiveness? Share your thoughts and stories, I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay connected, stay compassionate, and remember that every relationship is an opportunity for growth.